Hello and welcome to another day of Kajika Trades, going over my trades of the day. Just doing a little trade review here. So if you liking the content, please like and subscribe, or send any comments, questions, anything you want to look at. I'll be happy to go over with you. So today I came into the day looking at Microsoft as my top ticker to trade, and what we notice here, I'm on the 15 minute right now, but pretty much all of April, Microsoft's just been beaten up since these highs way back here. Right here is the start of April. As you can see, the double top in these 2 days, and we have just been coming down ever since. So let's jump on to the 2 minute. So what I was looking for, and I will go show you exactly what I was looking at in the pre-market. So this is what we had for data going into the market this morning. What I noticed is we had this good sized move here, no real pull up. There's one pivot, which is about 50% of this entire move. So we do have the pivot level here, resistance or support turned resistance, turns resistance, and so this is kind of the level I was eyeing. I actually had it written down that on the 2 minute, 281.5 is resistance plus 50% of this move. Okay, so first couple bars, quickly got to move into that, and quickly got rejected off of that. Whether you want to say we got rejected off the golden pocket, I would say we got rejected off the 50% here. These people that were sellers here, once again, were sellers, and very violently were sellers, as we saw this bar immediately really erasing the second green bar of the day. So my entry, I actually took a really late entry on this. Not really sure why. I think I just wanted a little more confirmation. But I took my entry, I filled at 380.49. Oh wow, exactly where my cursor is. So pretty much exactly as we erased this entire bar, the bar prior, and I had this little pull up into it. At this point, I was okay. I believe I had my stop at 281, which obviously didn't get hit. But I was a little nervous as this wick was put in. But as this bar came in and closed like that, I felt happy with what the market was showing me. I then added 100 shares on this 938 bar as we did a little GBI. So I'm looking at big red bar, a little bit of pause, pull up into that red bar, confirm that these sellers are going to continue to push down the price. And here they are coming back into the stock. That's what my concept on the ad was there. Also, we're real close to the 20, so I'm okay with that move. And we got this, and we got this move down to essentially a double bottom because I was looking at the close of Thursday, because remember Friday was Good Friday, so the market was closed. I was looking at this level, so my fill was 279.46, so right above. And as you can see, we kind of formed a little double bottom, came back in here, came right back into the 20. About, once again, if you look at this real quick on this, it was probably 50% of this move. Yep, 50% rejects off of it. Can't get the close above, this consolidation of moving averages and VWAP. And you get another trigger down to the short side, and we end up coming to the double bottom of the opening bar before we go higher. So that was the one trade I took today. I was very happy with it. I'm glad that my kind of pre-market plan worked out in my favor. I kept watching the market, and I made the mistake of just waiting for too much confirmation today. I don't know why I was lacking confidence, but I guess I just was. It's just the mindset I had today. And so what I was looking at, you can see I drew this little wedge, and what I was looking at is pivot level here. We came into it, sellers quickly rejected, and we came down. So what this tells me is we got supply in this zone between 281 and 281.50. And you can tell, additionally, more evidence is this is exactly where this big green bar got no continuation, and we just paused. Sellers kept trying to push it down. Buyers quickly kept stepping back in and pushing it right back into the supply zone. And they really couldn't break this zone. So, I don't know. In my head, I wanted some type of confirmation of this, but I guess I really should have just been confident in the fact that our only real big red bar after this move up was immediately eaten up, and we held the 20, held VWAP with the close of this 10-12 bar. But I was just looking for more confirmation, which obviously you can see never came. My price target, once again, the 200 right here. So I ended up leaving dollar that I just watched go against me. But that's just my fault. Got to be better next time. Also, once again, this short was pretty simple. If you switch over to the 5, it looks a little easier than the 2, but you can tell. Come into, this is where we have the golden pocket here. This is where that 200 was. Can't get over it. We get this nice bar, close above, gets no continuation. Try to go higher once again, no continuation. Push down, finally get our release, and go back to the 2. And we make another move all the way back down to the opener, this double bottom, 279 level. So that was a nice short I could have caught. I should have, but I think I stepped out around 1040. So this is what I missed the bar once it came back. Wow, all right. New Kendrick Lamar coming on May 13th. Wow, that's sorry for that little pop up, but that's kind of big news. And that was my, how I traded. I wish I stuck around because what do we have here? Left shoulder, the head, right shoulder, and we flush. Actually making a decent move back. The upside down. But you can see break this neckline here, 280.84. There's a nice $2 move. So that's what I was looking at. If you have any questions or comments on, why did I do this a certain way? Why did I look at this as supply or this as resistance? Feel free to comment and we can go over there. Like I said before, just like and subscribe, and I will keep posting these. All right, have a good one.